Tim again from Auto Van Can. I'm going to be working on the dad van again. As you can see, I've got it lifted nice and high. We'll see how much time we have to. We'll see how much time we got today to do some work to it. So if you checked out my last episode where I went to Kenny Goupil to the pick and pull, and I pulled some parts for the van. I already installed the headrest there, and today I'm going to be having a go at working on the exhaust, and if I have time I'll do the front struts as well. Alright, so let's get into it. If you guys can see that exhaust piece, that's the piece we're going to be changing in this video. So it's got the center silencer and flex pipe. This is the Y pipe, this section here. And it's that exhaust bracket there, that exhaust clamp there is what we've got to remove. That goes up and over the subframe and down to here. So this is the center silencer. It's cracked at the end of the silencer there. Plus the flex pipe has seen better days. Like the outer sheath has come off, so, but it's not leaking there. All the exhaust leak is leaking at the other end of this silencer, and it's cracked around the inside. So I'm going to try and cut that clamp off with one of these. If you can see it on my zip gun, on my air hammer. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be pushing that tool against to try and cut this exhaust clamp off. Alright, I'm going to try undoing the clamp behind it. Need a larger impact gun. Would you look at that? Perfect. Okay, everybody. We're starting to win. Managed to undo the rusty old bolt from behind. Oh. Pieces of the catalytic heat shield starting to fall rain down on me. So we undid the nut at the back, but the clamp is still tight. I wonder, I'm going to get a different piece. I'm going to hit it from behind with a longer piece. We've got this piece out the back of the exhaust clamp, so this clamp should be a lot easier to remove now. There we go. There's the clamp. Gone. All right. It's not a bad tool, that. It's this piece. It's not damaging the exhaust underneath. It's getting rather hot. But hey ho. That should be enough to wiggle this off. The next bit of attack is taking this off. Just grab pry bar and some a pair of channel locks. Alright, I've got some clean flow penetrant fluid. It's always handy for these kind of jobs. Oops, lost my light. There we go. Now, to the fun part. now at the back of the silencer. Not sure if you can see. That's where the leak is. So I'm going to make a cut here. So I'm going to be using a circular cut-off wheel at a precarious angle. Just make sure you have all your safety equipment. Okay, that should be enough. Oh, we're close. Ah, we're through. Trying to do this without bunking the camera. There we go. There we go. That's what we had to contend with. Let this pipe out. Today is an extremely humid day. It downpoured early in the morning. It was all dried up now. Canada's been having a lot of forest fires lately, which is not good. Right, let's undo it from here. There we go. Okay, now we're good there. I'm going to pull the exhaust back so it's in its rightful resting position. So the exhaust needs to be forward before it's clamped. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's kind of in there. I'm going to clamp it up at the top and then clamp it in its rightful position here. You can see there's a new exhaust. I'll grab some sockets and I'll nip that up through the wheel well. Hopefully you guys can see me there. Let's get this last hanger in place. This one's going to be a pain in the butt. There we go. Done. Let's start the vehicle and listen for any exhaust leaks. As you can see, that was a bit of a messy job, but it got done. So we changed the center silencer and flex pipe to the wide pipe. So if you liked the video, please smash that like button, comment and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a good day, everyone.